Thales is one of the world leaders in gyrotrons, so high-power microwave sources that bridge the gap in frequency to where fusion needs them. The partnership with Thales is therefore absolutely central.
We're starting to develop gyrotrons in the 80s, more than 40 years ago. We have a very strong collaboration with the Karlsruhe Institute of Technology and Max Planck Institute program W7X in Greifswald, where we are very proud to have the most powerful EC heating system, using also the most powerful gyrotrons in the world.
They have developed world-class capabilities in building these gyrotrons, delivering them to various tokamaks and stellarators throughout Europe and the world. For Proxima, to go and work with Thales was just a natural choice.
What is key in a project like Alpha is because Alpha will be based on very high level of magnetic fields. Thales is part of the Alpha Alliance to bring the better of gyrotrons technology to the Alpha project.
Proxima has the opportunity to develop fusion power plants with a view of how we build an ecosystem rather than an ecosystem, trying to bring together different companies that each contributes something and then develop a project where the supply chain can be 100% European. Working with Thales means that we can knock off one of the key elements of that supply chain, gyrotrons and ECRH systems.
When I'm looking at European competencies for fusion, thanks to what we did in national, international programs, we have all the necessary competencies to success. It means very high-level PhD people, very high-level engineering people. It also means very skilled people in the workshop to give to the gyrotrons the level of precision and the level of quality that we need for a so complex object.
We have a wealth of other partnerships across Europe to deliver these projects at record time and leveling up the ambition of this continent.